So hello guys, welcome to another exciting video, and this video will be a introductory part of the full series where I talk about how you can configure your NvChad for Neovim. So if I open my Neovim in this project directory, it would look something like this. You have this cool little file explorer. You have the files like this. You can change between files. You can do a grep search for the files, uh, so packages, and yeah, you can do this. You can do something like this, div and close it, auto closing, and also tailwind classes, class name, this is bg black, something like this. Write it and quit it. So yeah, you can do all of this configuration, LSP, and uh, everything, like seriously everything. We are going to talk about Lua, and how you can configure your own plugins, how you can use some other plugins that are not talked about in this series, and this is going to be pretty exciting video series. So yeah, stay tuned for that.